And as we come to the last part of our play, I am dressed for this special occasion, as you might see. And now, we see they decide to confront Monty's mom upon Monty Sue's behavior. And her mom does not know that the dad is bribing the teacher to give her good grades. Now on to our play. Hey you guys, I think we should tell Monty's mom about the problem. Yeah, we should do that. Look it, she's just over there.
What are we gonna do?
We're just gonna ask her, okay? Okay, guys, just... Hey, Mrs. Monty's mom, your daughter's being mean to us, and we don't like it. And the dad,
Mr. Sue?
the dad, he's bribing the teacher. Is this true, Monty? Oh no, it can't be true. Well, I did see your dad acting rather suspicious the other day. But, Monty, you have to be doing your own work. Yeah, Monty, you should do your own work like the rest of us do. And you shouldn't go picking fights with others and bullying them, because it's not nice. We don't like it. Yeah, Monty. You better be getting into better shape or else you're gonna be grounded, Mrs. Sue. Aww, I guess. Yeah!
Woohoo! Yeah! Woohoo!
I think we should help you with your homework, Monty. You know, with your grades and all. No. I don't want to help her. She was a meanie. I don't want to help her. No.
Albert, we have to help her. She's our friend now.
Yeah, Albert. Go do homework with your friends. Now. Okay. Okay. What is c squared minus 26? It's 27. Hooray! And as our play comes to an end, I'm taking a nice stroll and all are happy because the really hard homework is done. Hey, what are you doing in our play? Me. Bye-bye now.